Everyone, so what I want to do now is show you the end result will be, let me find it here quickly. The end result will be this thing. So what we'll have then is this is what I've talked to you about before, and so every student now, for every grammar point we'll make a page. So this is just a title. So this is where the title is, or no, I don't really know what this will be, but this is the title anyways. Title of the grammar point. Then we have some explanation, maybe an example, and then we can even upload media here, and then we have a question, and then the student can fill in their answer here, and then we can click here and we show the answer here, or we can hide it if we toggle back. So that's really exciting. And then we can write some other stuff, and then we have a second question, and the student can write that, and they can show the answer just to test themselves. Again, this is not a test, it's just so they can test themselves. Later on maybe we can save their answers and make it into like a more interactive exercise, but right now this is plenty enough. And so every grammar point now, let me show you, every grammar point now from this place, actually hold on, let me pull this thing down from here. Okay, so every grammar point now, or every review thing here, we can start with a review, then we'll take like that's not it, we'll take like level 2 and then like the title could be like the difference between 会 and 可以, and then here's the explanation, and then we practice a little bit, and we can record those things as well, and then there's a question. Excellent stuff, no? So let me show you how to do this. Very exciting indeed. Okay, so first we go to I'll send you the like credentials, login details. Then what you do is you go back to go back to WordPress. Hello there, and you click. For now, we'll just have to add, like you just add new page, and so in this case, it would be what was it called again? It was called here we go. The difference between, like this, the difference between 会 and 可以. Okay. And then we have some text. We can just take this text here. Excellent stuff. Don't know why it says that. Okay, good. And then we can practice a little bit. We don't have to write practices, but then we can translate the following sentences. Translate. Oh, we can just do like this. Maybe no. I think yeah. So maybe just to make it clean, we can maybe have like a little divider, maybe separator. Like that, and then translate the following sentences. And then what we do now is we do let's think about this. So the question here is let me think, sorry. I speak Chinese. So question is how to say I speak Chinese. Okay, and then what we do is here. So let's go down one line, and then what we can toggle here is question and answer block. We just copy that in, and then what will happen is that is already automated, so they'll be able to edit, click in and write in whatever they want here, and then the answer will show as well. And then here you just click add paragraph, and then the answer will be 我会说中文. Okay, very good stuff. And then if we go down like one line, then it will just show the next line, it will not show the second line. So it will not show this line here. This line will still show. So for that matter, we can say, for instance, we can copy this again. We can have another question, which is, do you speak Chinese? Do you speak Chinese? Question. Do you speak Chinese? And again, then we go down one row. We click question block. We click paragraph, and then we go with like this. Excellent stuff. Okay, and then at the end here we could actually, what's important here is that maybe we go question 1, question 2. Because now what I want to do is let me think about this. Where was this then? No, there was a place where I could add media, please. Media, audio. Upload audio file, pick one from your library. Oh no, sorry. And so we can upload it or we can pick from. I think I already have some, so I'll just take this one. And then it'll just appear right here. Okay, and if this is it, then wonderful. This, now we've made a page, and you saw how easy it was. It's just a title and then some text. And then here's the important part, and then we could even have the audio. So I think as you create these pages, you can just quickly like go to maybe QuickTime, as I'm doing right now. You go to audio recording, and I can't do that because I'm already using QuickTime, and you record your voice. But remember that don't try and maybe see how it sounds using your own microphone. Otherwise, I'd recommend maybe getting an actual microphone that records sounds a little bit better, like the one I'm using right now. Excellent. So then we're done. So we click publish. No focus on keywords was entered. Maybe. Yeah, so maybe I'll go through that later. The idea here as well is that they can actually find, if someone searches for the difference between hui and ke, then they'll hopefully find our post here, which would be excellent. Okay, and now we can copy this, and it looks something like this. Very exciting indeed. Oh, look at this. So I don't know how to answer it. Oh, okay, cool. Then I don't know how to answer this one either. Ah, excellent stuff. Wonderful. And that is how you make a page. Now later on, we'll be able to search for things like, let's go for the difference and then see if we find something. Here we go, the difference between hui and ke. So everything here will just become a grammar point. Then maybe just so we don't mix them up with actual results like from our blog post and shit, then maybe this thing here could be like grammar. We could be like, or let's call it something. We should call it something, so when we search for it, we know that that is a grammar thing and nothing else is, so that way we can like distinguish them from all the other ones. I think that's plenty enough. Excellent work, well done. So from now on, what I suggest that we do is, first of all, Jianan, read my comments here. By the way, now I've written numbers, and it's still important that we use numbers, but because we don't use this document as much anymore, we won't use it as much, then it's not as important that you write, like, because I want you to say, for exercise, the difference between hui and ke, then you need to, this is the grammar point 1, then you need to write that this is 1. Then for grammar point 2, it's a different point, so it's the difference between dao and dao, and that is 2, so then it should be 2.1, 2.2, and so on. You don't have to think about that too much. But still, read this document, and then try to make it always, and then from now on, always try to make pages like this one. Very good stuff. And then you don't even have to go into this page here. You could just, literally just, what is it? Literally just go directly into WordPress here. Sorry, going to WordPress here and start and add the review comments right here into this page. Excellent. And what else? Yeah, once you've done that, when you publish it, make sure that you, because there will be a lot of pages, so make sure that you, let me see if I can find it. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So make sure that you update, and then where is it then? Public. I want the yeah, I want the copy. Yeah, here it is, view page. So then we need to keep a document. This will be very important later on. Well, I'll make a document right now actually. Review, I'll just call it, and then here I'll just make like a little here be like grammar. So let me zoom out. No, okay. Reset. Excellent. Okay. Grammar references. Okay. And then what we do here is that we just say level 1, level 2, level 3, etc. And then, for instance, if this is the difference between hui and ke, then that is, I think that actually might be ke, so it might be right here. And then we just put the link in here. Yeah, that's it. Actually, it looks a lot neater like that, doesn't it? 1 second. Yeah, anyways, take the URL and then paste it in here. Why is that happening? What's wrong? Oh, okay, yeah, it doesn't know the characters. That's fine though. Okay, yeah, that's fine. But then, so what we do then is we can say like, let's make a table here. I think that might be even easier then. This is just for our own sake. So here it would be like grammar point, and this would be like URL. So first, we could literally just take the title. Just take the title, like that. And there you go. And then you're done. And then later on with our students, we can just literally go to this document, and we can send them like, okay, so yeah, Tim needs to work on the difference between Hui and Kui, and then we'll just send him right to this page. Excellent. Another thing I think is we need more examples, but you can read more about my comments here. There's not too many. That's it. Excellent. This is really, really exciting. I'll do the same thing for the practice document, and you can start doing this for the review document. Excellent, excellent stuff. Very exciting to start doing this. Okay, bye bye.